Hello guys, let's create this nice effect. So let's start from here. You can see in the layers there are three pictures. There's bulb picture, water picture, and fish picture. So all of them are links in the description below. You can download them anytime. So let's start with the bulb picture. You can see I selected the bulb with the pen tool. So if you're not aware of the pen tool, you can just select any part. For example, I want to select this part here. And I right click, make selection, okay, and it selects this part. So that's how I selected the bulb. So let's go back and select the bulb and go to the layers and press Ctrl J on the bulb layer, and it duplicates only the selection like this. So let's now name it bulb copy, and now put the water layer on top of bulb copy and hold Ctrl and press on the box of bulb copy, and it brings back the selection. So do the same with water. So press Ctrl J on water layer and it duplicates only the selection. So you can now remove this water layer. And now on layer 1, let's name it water and put it on overlay. And now get the magic wand and press on the white here, and you can zoom in and you can see there's some unselected areas. You can bring the lasso tool and hold Alt to get the minus sign and bring them back to the selection. Okay, so let's zoom out and press Ctrl X to delete this white, and now go to layers and bring back the fish on top. Okay, so when the fish is on top, you can go to the magic wand and press on select subject. And now it detects all the subject and selects it. You can go to select and inverse, so it selects opposite to the subject, and press Ctrl X and delete it. Then press Ctrl T to scale and transform and make it a bit smaller so it fit in. And position it in the right place. Okay, this looks fine. You can get the magic wand and press on the black again and remove the excess. And now in the layer you can put the fish underneath the water, and you can now zoom in, and with the lasso tool, I'm gonna use the lasso tool because it's fast. You can use the pen tool to make it more precise. Just select this area of the fish. When you're done, go to layers and go to water and Ctrl X to cut it, and now the part of the fish is outside the water. And now one more thing you can do is go to layers and hold Ctrl again and click on the box of bulb copy to bring the selection back, and get the brush and put it on white and 161 size and hardness 0 and the opacity of 38, and just make this part here where the water hits dissolve or fade away. Looks nicer. And that's it. So you can even bring the lasso tool and cut part of the tail here, as I did in the previous document, and bring it outside of the water. But that's your preference, so that's it.